Hey everyone, welcome back to It's Natural. It's Patty here. I hope everybody is doing great. And this video we're going to talk about what I found at Dollar Tree, some good snacks, some non-GMO snacks. Can you believe it that I found at Dollar Tree? And if you don't know what Dollar Tree is, everything is $1. They have party supplies, they have balloons, they have books, coloring books, office supplies, they have food, some have freezer sections, utensils and kitchenware and candy, and they have just a plethora of different items, laundry needs. And if you don't have one, or if you want to check it out, you can also buy in bulk online at dollartree.com. So I suggest you go ahead and find out the one nearest you if you have one. I found two great snack items. One's called Pop Corners, and the other one is By Good Health veggie chips, and they also have what's called veggie straws. And I saw something else in Dollar Tree, By Good Health, and it's another bag of chips, and I don't know exactly what it is. I'm pretty sure it is still veggie related, but I think it's just they have the chips and then the straws that look like French fries. And I think there is something else on that same line. But anyways, let's get started with the veggie chips, the sea salt, the Good Health. Their tagline, it says it's all about lifitude, which is great. Now, their website is goodhealthsnacks.com. You can find them on Facebook at Good Health Snacks, and Instagram at GH Snacks. So this has the verified logo of non-GMO, which is awesome. And they have their snacks. They say they have the veggie sticks and the veggie straws. I think that's what I saw, was the veggie sticks. The veggie straws look exactly like the sticks. So avocado kettle style chips and olive oil kettle style chips. So those are their other snacks that they have. So what's in these two products, these two snacks are the only ones that do not upset my stomach. If you do not have a gallbladder like myself, it's very challenging sometimes to find foods that don't upset your stomach, or because you don't have a gallbladder, you don't have the luxury of your body processing fat, and that sometimes is any type of oils. If you have over an abundance of oil in a certain food, it upsets your stomach, like it does me. So what are the ingredients? We have dehydrated potato, potato starch, expeller pressed sunflower oil, safflower oil, salt, dehydrated garlic, dehydrated tomato, turmeric for color, dehydrated parsley, dehydrated green pepper, dehydrated spinach, dehydrated oregano, vegetable and fruit extracts for color, radish, apple, and black currant. I was surprised to see black currant in this. Paprika extract and sea salt. Now it does say on here that it has shared equipment with products that contain milk made in a peanut and tree nut free facility, which is great. I almost ate a whole bag of these yesterday and it did not upset my stomach. Now that's kudos to Good Health, because I know for a fact for my body that there's not a lot of safflower oil in there. It has a total gram of 8 fats, 8 grams of fat. One serving is considered 1 ounce. This is a total of 3 servings. 1 ounce is 140 calories. It has 1 gram of protein within the 140 calories per serving, which is 1 ounce. It has vitamin D, it has calcium, a little bit of iron, and full of potassium, 157 milligrams of potassium. Now it's pretty, a whole bag is 800 milligrams of sodium, which isn't that bad. 1 ounce is 280 milligrams. Now I believe from my memory that we need about, I believe it's 1200 milligrams of sodium a day. Now more than that, look online to see, to verify that. It might be less, it might be more. For some reason I want to say it's 2000 milligrams or 2500 milligrams, but for some reason anyways. Do your research on the sodium, but I'm pretty sure it's anywhere from 1200 to 2500 milligrams per day that our body needs. I'm going off of memory of what my physician, one of my physician friends had told me. So let's go to the next one. Popcorners, the crunchy and wholesome popped corn snack. This is the sweet and salty kettle corn. And I don't know about you, but I used to eat kettle corn popcorn and I loved it. But when I noticed the ingredients and how it was processed, the microwave popcorn, I stopped taking it. So do your own research on that. I don't know if you like that or not. Now this, it contains also 3 servings of 1 ounce. It only has 4 ingredients, and it states it right there. It's only 4 ingredients. Yellow corn, sunflower oil, cane sugar, and sea salt. And I love these because it does taste exactly like kettle corn. And it's not overbearing. The cane sugar is not overbearing. And it only has 3 grams per 1 ounce. The whole package of sugars is 9 grams. And I can eat this whole thing without it upsetting my stomach also, which is awesome. So their tagline says, "We believe your best self begins when you decide to do one better, whether it's running a little farther, laughing a little louder, or snacking a little healthier." It says family farmers, and it says on here, and I love this because I don't know about you, but I do enjoy corn at sometimes, especially like this style or popcorn or corn chips, but I do not like eating corn, fresh corn. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I don't know if it's non-GMO or not. It says on here, it states that naturally it starts at the source. We partner with the best family farmers we know to ensure we're getting only the finest non-GMO corn available. And it does have the non-GMO symbol at the bottom. And it also states on the back that it's vegan, no dairy, and no nuts, right there. And it also on the front says it's never fried. Now they do have another flavor, which it has cheddar in it, and that has maltodextrin. I will link it up here on why you shouldn't have maltodextrin. It really messes with your digestive system. It causes gas and bloating, and it's the most uncomfortable thing. Now, if you've experienced that you've eaten something and you're starting to get gassy, look in the ingredients and see if it's maltodextrin. It is I believe it is a corn derivative. It says it's an all-natural food derivative, but even though it starts out natural, the process to get it to the maltodextrin, it breaks down the natural portion of it, and then all of a sudden it's no longer natural. Even though it's derived from a natural source, at the end process it's not natural anymore, and it messes with your body. And it does cause some people, it does cause an allergic reaction. So do your research on it. That's why I don't, even though I like this brand, their cheddar brand with the maltodextrin, I will not even touch. And I actually got other chips that today that I wanted, I haven't had in a while, and it was not non-GMO, it wasn't organic, It was, I won't say their brands, but they contain maltodextrin in it. And they were just, you know, your everyday cheese puffs and your everyday, you know, what are their onion chips or whatever. So, you know, if you're grabbing something like a snack, look and see the ingredients if it's maltodextrin. If you have digestive issues, or if you're noticing that things are causing you to be bloated and gassy and cramping. I cramped up so bad today, and I was just like, that's the first time in a long time that maltodextrin has made me cramp up in excruciating pain. And I didn't have that much, so needless to say, I threw it out. It was only, you know, I bought the little bags, were 2 for 89 cents. They were tiny bags, and so I was like, well, you know, I won't do that again. I'll just stick with these. And I've noticed both of these brands are at Dollar Tree all the time. So this is a staple for Dollar Tree. So let's get down to, let's see how much sodium is in these. Per 1 ounce is 115 milligrams. Per the whole bag is 340 milligrams. And like I said, there's only 4 ingredients in this. And I tell you what, I am very pleased with both these brands. And you'd be surprised of other non-GMO products that Dollar Tree has. The other day I found Annie's organic. Now they're not, it doesn't say non-GMO, but they are organic. It was organic soup. And I found those at the Dollar Tree. And also Raw in Sugar. That is non-GMO, and they came in a packet of 24 packs. And 24 packs is $1. So you can find non-GMO products at your local Dollar Tree. So you can go to dollartree.com, and you know, their food items are not on their website, only their hard goods are. But if you'd call your local store and say, hey, I want a box of either one of these, I bet they will put those aside for you and you can pick them up. So until next time, check out your local Dollar Tree, dollartree.com. I'll talk to you soon.